That the Notting Hill Carnival has his own toilet as well right there. I needed peace. That's what it says right there. And as this is part of the what makes London a unique place. Availability of the toilet is there as well in case you need it while you're at the Notting Hill Carnival. Once again, this is Koikimedia reporting all the way from the Notting Hill Carnival. A very busy atmosphere every August bank holiday. It's all about the carnival, and we are right there on the Artesian Road, W2, City of Westminster. Once again, as we leave the carnival again this year, and right there is the St. Mary of the Angel Catholic Church. Once again, we are right on the Artesian Road, St. Mary, Bayswater. Koikimedia bringing the world closer to your doorstep.